now that we got the trailer in the garage, we're gonna start tearing it apart and taking off these bumpers. And the bumpers, actually, the carpet on them actually look pretty good. I think I might actually leave them on there, but I just need to take them off, and so we can get down to the metal and start grinding the metal apart. And what I'll be using to do that with is going to be a lot of different brushes. This goes on a side grinder, which is pretty cool. But you will need safety glasses because that stuff will fly everywhere. And it's hard and it hurts your eyeballs. I've already went to the hospital one time because of that device to get metal grounded out of my eye. Also, these little deals, they go on your drills and other little doohickeys, like all those in that drawer right there. So, anyway, let's get started. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna call it a wrap for that video anyway. I'm not done with the trailer yet, but we got a pretty good ways. So I got the whole back end pretty much painted and grinded down, primed. It's just primer. It'll be a shiny black when it's done, but turned out pretty good. I missed some spots. When I was painting, I was like, oh crap, I missed that. But, you know, I gotta go back over and finish that part right there. But it turned out pretty good. And as you saw in the video, I had to do a little bit of work on this wheel well. And in the next video, I'll do some Bondo work to make it look perfect. But it actually came out pretty straight. So, with just me pounding on it and working on it a little bit. So, turned out pretty good for amateur. So anyway, I gotta put a little Bondo right there. Let's see if you can see that part right there. There's a spot right there, needs a little bit of leveling off right there. So anyway, we'll get to that next video and see if we can finish off this trailer, getting it prettied up. Bumpers look pretty good. I don't think I'm gonna do anything to the carpet on them because it looks like pretty new carpet, but the screws and stuff are all rusted and the brackets are rusted and everything. So I got some new bolts and nuts for that, and we'll put some new screws and everything and new bolts and everything when we put it all back together. And I started trying to take that winch off and the front off the front, and one of the bolts was too tight, so I abandoned that. So I still got a bolt that needs to come out of that or a nut that needs to come off of it anyway. The U-bolts, there's U-bolts holding it on. So, and then yeah, tomorrow or well, the next video, I'll be flipping the trailer on its side so I can get to the bottom and you know, grind all the rust off of it and paint everything and seal it so it don't rust anymore. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the video, comment down below. All right, thanks guys.